Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to enable HVCI for Valorant. So basically this is a really annoying issue that sometimes uh, gets turned on. So if you have outdated windows or specific configurations that are conducive, this conducive to and allowing to cheat, then it is going to be turning on. So what you need to do is simply upgrade your windows, and also if that doesn't help, then you need to be upgrading your BIOS. So now once you do update these, you're going to be making sure that uh, this particular diagram that is on your screen for an actual checklist task refer specific van restriction error message you receive from Vanguard. So he can simply diagnose the issue using this whole flowchart map, and once you solve all of this, you're going to be having it fixed. So this is the simple tutorial to it, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. See you in the next one.